And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 223. Let me show you the Conte Crayon photo filter. Once again, it's in a filter gallery. We are in the sketch folder. It's right here, option number 5. If you can't find it, just use the drop down here where it's alphabetically sorted. To adjust it, we have foreground and background level. The foreground level determines how strong and dense the darkest parts of the sketch will appear. So making that higher will make it darker, lower values will make it brighter. And we have the background level is for the light areas of the image. So basically how much the paper will show through. Higher values will make it brighter, lower values darker. For the texture, we have the scaling and the relief. Texture itself can be seen here. So this is basically the pattern of the paper, and then you can scale it up and down, make it bigger, smaller. And the relief is then for the depth of the texture. Finally, you can adjust the light direction and then invert it. Don't forget to confirm via OK, and this is how you can use this crayon effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.